Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen, guys. Watch your badness. Some bad cornmeal flour and Irish in our pot, guys. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Some bad cornmeal flour and Irish. Over here, so guys, you have some curry liver. Yeah, some bad curry liver, guys. Guys, look what going on in our kitchen. Bad curry liver with pumpkin, guys. Yo, that one, yeah, sick, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Soon come back. Guys, watch what going over here, so. Guys, beef liver, you know, guys. Yeah, believe that. Beef liver, guys. So what going in iPod? Be a badness, yo. Believe that. Curry beef liver, guys. Yeah, curry beef liver and cornmeal dumpling. Dumpling can't come out now. I'm going to coffee, guys. Strain off the water and make me meat go and cook. Over. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Soon come back. Guys, watch what go on in the pot just so. Guys, this is what go on. Yeah guys, my curry liver. So guys, I'm going to land the pot now. So guys, watch when it in a plate. Soon come back. Jenko people, look what go on over here, so. Yeah, and the badness this. Curry beef liver. Some chunk cornmeal dumpling, guys. And Irish. You don't know about this setup. Yeah guys, so we're going there. 4 big old cornmeal flour, guys. See you in our next video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, click that notification bell as a video drop, guys. You have it. I'm out.